Hello students, welcome to 7th standard maths class. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Before starting this, some concepts from last standard we will revise. First question is, what is an angle? So what is an angle? In last standard you have learned angle is a diagram which is formed by two separate rays, but that rays are getting connected with each other at a common point. For example, I will show. Suppose this is the first ray and this is second ray. These two separate rays are having one common point. So this diagram is called angle. Two separate rays, when they are connected to each other by a common point, then this diagram is called angle. Now, how to write or how to read these angles? Angles have 3 points. Suppose here I will write name A, B and C. First ray is AB, second ray is BC or CB. So these two separate rays are forming this angle. So name of this angle will be either ABC or CBA or only the central angle or only the common point. As a name of this angle we can say. So some question I will ask for this, just try to answer that. Write the name of angle shown alongside. So in which way we can write the name of this angle? So it can be written as angle. This symbol is used to show angle A, B, C, this in this direction, or angle CBA in this direction, CBA, or what I told, whatever common point in between these two rays is there, simply by that name only also we can represent the angle. So only we can write it as only angle B. These all three ways are right. In this all ways we can write the name of this angle. So next question is, write the name of its vertex. Vertex means common point between two rays which are forming the angle. So if you see here in this diagram, this point is common in this ray and in this ray. So this common point is called vertex. So vertex of this angle is B. Next is, write the name of its arms. Arms means the rays which are forming angle. So which rays are forming angle? First is this one and second is this one. So we can write name of its arms are ray AB and this ray BC. So arms are AB and CA. AB and CA. Next is, write the names of the points marked on its arms. So if you will see here, this is the first arm. On this arms, which points are marked? Point A and point B. And if you see this second arm, on this arm, which points are marked? Point C and point B. B is common in both. So in this way, last year you have learned some concepts related to angle. Now in detail, something more about angles we are going to see in this standard. So next concept related to angle is the interior and exterior of an angle. For that, consider this angle PQR. Now for this angle, I will draw some points like this. So these points I have drawn: N, M, O, T, G, D, S and E. So what is the meaning of interior part of angle? Interior means inside. So whatever the region is inside the angle or it is enclosed by angle, that is called interior of the angle. For example, this area is enclosed within the angle, so it is called interior of the angle. Outside this angle, whatever is the area, this area we can say as a exterior of angle. So can you name the points which are present in the interior of the angle? So this point N, M, O and T, they are present in the interior, in the inner side of angle. So they are present in the interior part of angle. Can you give the names of points which are present in the exterior part? Exterior means outsider. So out of this angle, whatever is the area, that is called exterior. So in this area, which points are present? G, D, S and E. So these points are present in the exterior of the angle. Now if you will see, there are some points which lies on the arms of angle. For example, point Q, point Z, point P and point R. These 4 points are present on the arms of angle. So they are not present in the interior or in exterior. They are present on the arms of angle. Now from your practice set 15, there is one question. Question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. So we will solve this. See, here angle is given AWB. What is asked? Points in the interior. Interior means what I told, inside the angle or area enclosed by the angle. So this area will be interior and this will be exterior. So in this part, which points are there? R, N, C and X. So answer for this will be R, C, N and X. Next is point in the exterior. This will be exterior of the angle. So which points are present there? T, U, Q, V and Y. So name that here. T, U, Q, V and Y. Now next is points on the arms of the angle. Means on this rays, which points are present, that. So A, W, G and B. So A, W, G and B. These are present on the arms of this angle. So based on this question is homework for you as extra question. For the given figure of angle XYZ, answer the following questions. First is find the points present in the interior, points present in the exterior and points present on the arms of angle.